Let's go South Goa. Here we go. Yep, we are here. This is the beauty of Kola Beach. Reaching Kola Beach is a very difficult task. So I would suggest if you had a very heavy breakfast, then please do not choose Kola Beach in the morning. Be empty stomach and then come to Kola Beach, because the road will take a toll, man. It is difficult. Kola Beach is one of the many hidden beaches in South Goa. It is a wonderful amalgamation of all the aspects of nature. The beach is very beautiful, it is very neat, and I think it's better than any of the North Goa beaches I saw. Very clean. It's a very secluded kind of a beach, it's very there are not much people, and reaching here is also a task, so it's very nice. Being very secluded and private, this beach attracts a very few number of tourists, which is also a major reason that it has maintained its serenity, the closeness to nature. On the beach itself, there is a small river named Kola, which creates a lagoon in the north side. This is the water coming from that lagoon, and it's all the way traveling via this beach to the ocean. The lagoon is shallow, so it is good for people who have less experience in swimming or no experience in swimming, just like me. Okay, so we are contemplating of doing the kayaking. The water is not that deep, it is kind of till the hip level, so it's good for a person who doesn't know swimming. I think that is the safest bet. Yeah, and that's me. We are still thinking whether to go or not. Okay, so finally I'm doing it alone then. It is a fucking task. Pedal, pedal and pedal. Oh, I'm getting good at it, man. I'm getting the flow. Okay, so I'm turning, I'm turning, I'm turning, I'm turning, I'm turning, and I'm turning. Oh, this is tiring, man. Turning, I'm turning, turning, I'm turning. Yeah, finally I'm straight, man. Woo! Yeah, buddy. I'm getting a grip of it. This is tiring, man. Very tiring. Oh, it's good to be back on the shore. Woo. So after a tiring experience, we decided to have lunch at this Blue Lagoon beach cafe, and we have a pretty nice view. This is a veg sandwich, I guess. It's decent, and this is omelette sandwich, egg sandwich. So we are done and we are leaving Kola Beach. Food was not that good, but the beach was awesome. So while coming here, I told you that it's kind of a task coming to the Kola Beach. So I wasn't able to record, but I'll show you while going back. We have to take a taxi or a car to the main parking because the roads for approximately 2 kilometers, they are very bad. I mean, people do get their vehicles, there's bikes and cars, but you know, I love my car, so I did not do that. This is what I didn't like about coming to Kola Beach, and I hope you guys plan accordingly.